Thinking about renting a U-Haul? That low starting price can look great, but it is usually not the final amount you will pay. U-Haul is a popular choice for DIY moves because it offers pickup trucks, cargo vans, moving trucks, one-way rentals, and local truck rentals, but your total cost depends on more than just the base rental rate. For local moves, some U-Haul trucks may start at $19.95, but mileage, fuel, taxes, environmental fees, and optional coverage can increase the final price. For long-distance moves, the cost is usually higher because pricing may include more miles, extra rental days, and one-way drop-off details. Truck size matters too. A pickup truck or cargo van may work for a small local move, while 10-foot, 15-foot, 20-foot, or 26-foot trucks are better for apartments and larger homes. Choosing the wrong size can lead to extra trips, higher costs, and more stress. You should also think about insurance. U-Haul offers optional protection plans like SafeMove and SafeMove Plus, but it is smart to check whether your auto insurance or credit card already covers rental moving trucks. Before you book, review the pickup and return location, included mileage, rental time, payment details, fuel policy, and possible late fees. U-Haul can be affordable for DIY moves, but the total cost often includes extra fees. Compare truck sizes, mileage, and add-on costs before booking. Want more expert tips and free moving quotes? Visit MoversCom and contact us to plan a smarter, easier, and more affordable move.